Thank you very much for joining me today on your how-to tutorial for doing a gloss application. So we're going to get set and show you what you're going to need. You're going to need your brush, your color, a pair of gloves, clips come in real handy if you have some, and a towel to keep everything nice and clean. Starting with damp hair, you are going to brush your hair and make sure there are no knots and tangles. We are then going to split our hair into two sections. You can either go off your natural parting or go down the middle. Once your hair has been parted, you're then going to get yourself ready for your application. Either wearing an old t-shirt or like I'm doing, I'm putting a towel around my shoulders. This is going to help keep our color off our skin and keep our application clean. Following your personalized color instructions, mix together your color. Really make sure it is well incorporated together. Once your color is mixed, you can put your gloves on and start applying. As we apply our color, you are going to be starting at the bottom, working your way up. Taking small sections, look at where your blonde begins and ends. We are only going to be applying the gloss onto our blonde. It is okay if you get some on your natural color, but it really won't do too much, so really try to just make sure it is on the blonde. A helpful tip is the smaller your sections, the better saturation you'll have. Saturation is really key to a beautiful color, so make sure once you have applied onto a section to use your hands and really work that color in. Once you've completed your first side, you can go ahead and do the same application on the other, remembering always to take small section and really work that color into your blonde. If you've applied all of your color and if you still have product in your bowl, don't let that color go to waste. Either using the brush or applying it on with your hand, work that leftover color into your hair. You can never have too much saturation. Our final step in our application is to let your hair process as directed in your color instructions. Once your hair is processed, rinse really well, shampoo, and condition. Thank you very much for tuning in with me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing your color.